Hello everyone. So if you want to change the year in the Google Maps on your phone, here's how to do that. So with this method, you will be able to see all the timeline which is available for this place, of course. So first of all, make sure to open up Google Maps, make sure that they are updated to the latest version, because otherwise this method won't work. Now to start our process, tap on this little rectangular icon in the top right corner, right near our profile icon. There it is. Here, make sure to choose your straight view. Now, keep in mind that this method doesn't work for everything, because on some places there's simply nothing to show, so no timeline will be shown. So if there is no timeline going with this method, it means that it just doesn't exist. I'm sorry. Let's locate any place. For example, let it be this one. All right. Now, here you're simply to tap on the year. So it shows that this picture was taken in the May of 2024, tap on it. And here you can see the whole timeline. So through the very beginning, when the first pic was taken, in my case in May 2009, very nice thing to see how it was before. And now simply tap 2011, for example. As you see, something changed. 2014. All right. 2017. So as you see, they changed the payment. And now 2019, 2023, 2024, and finally 2025. So basically that's how it works, and it's quite an interesting feature to me. I really like it. You can see the whole timeline for the interesting places, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.